How to log into DOKODEMO Earning. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Earning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into DOKODEMO Earning. Logging in DOKODEMO Earning is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit DOKODEMO Earning, type DOKODEMO Earning, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the first link, it will take you to the home page. Find the login option. Once you are on the DOKODEMO Earning, click on sign in located at top right corner. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with DOKODEMO Earning in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on forgot your password. Click on sign in. After entering your credential, click on the sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.